Are you ready to learn Spanish vocabulary words related to clothes? If so, let's get started. Hi, I'm Jessica from Learning with Jessica Diaz, and today's vocabulary lesson is all about clothing. We're going to learn the words for shirt, pants, socks, shoes, and underwear. Let's start with shirt. In Spanish, shirt is camisa. Let's break it down. Kah-mer-sah, camisa. Our next word is pants, pantalones. Let's break down the phonetics of that word. Pantalones, pantalones. Our third word is socks, calcetines, calcetines, calcetines. Our fourth word today is shoes, zapatos, sah-pah-tos, zapatos. And our last word is underwear, ropa interior. Let's break it down. Ropa interior, ropa interior. Let's review those 5 words. Shirt is camisa, pants, pantalones, socks, calcetines, shoes, zapatos, and underwear, ropa interior. Now that we reviewed those words, let's test your knowledge. How do you say shirt in Spanish? Camisa. What about pants? How would you say pants in Spanish? If you said pantalones, you're right. How about socks? How do you say socks in Spanish? Calcetines. What about shoes? How would you say shoes in Spanish? Zapatos. And the last question is underwear. How would you say underwear in Spanish? If you said ropa interior, you're right. Thanks so much for tuning in to my 5 Spanish words of the day. If you use these videos to learn Spanish, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.